10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study about numbers. Numbers are of two types, cardinal and ordinal numbers. Let us understand the difference between the cardinal and ordinal numbers. Let us take an example. Look, some colorful balloons are flying in the sky. Can you tell me how many balloons are flying in the sky? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do you know these counting numbers are called cardinal numbers? Cardinal numbers tell us the quantity. Now look at this example. Can you tell me the position of Anna? Like Anna is at first position. Sam is at second position. Tom is at third position. Mary is at fourth position. Ron is at fifth position. Jenny is at sixth position. Kim at seventh position. Jack is at 8th position, Shelley is at 9th position, and Pat is at 10th position. So the students, ordinal numbers shows the position or order of the things. Let us take one more example. Look, this is our solar system. Do you know how many planets are there in our solar system? Yes, there are 8 planets. Now, let us understand the definition of cardinal numbers. A cardinal number is a number such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on that tells us how many things are there in a group. Like you can see on the screen, there is a group of cats. Let us count how many cats are there in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a cardinal number tells us that there are 5 cats in a group. Now let us understand the number of planets in our solar system. Like Mercury is at first position. Venus is at second position. Our planet Earth is at third position. The red planet Mars is at fourth position. The largest planet Jupiter is at 5th position. Saturn is at 6th position. Uranus is at 7th position. And the Neptune is at 8th position. An ordinal number is a number that tells us about the position or order of a things in a collection or sequence, such as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and so on. I repeat once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on are cardinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth are known as ordinal numbers. Now let us understand how to represent ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are indicated by counting numbers, but we add 2 letters every time, except first, second and third most of the ordinal numbers and in the letters TH. Let us understand the concept of cardinal and ordinal numbers through this chart showing on your screen. Cardinal number is 1, ordinal number is first. Cardinal number is 2, ordinal number is second. Cardinal number is 3, ordinal number is third. The ordinal numbers first, second and third are shown by adding letters ST, ND and RD. But most of the ordinal numbers are shown by adding th, like 4th, 5th, 7th, and 6th. But in some ordinal numbers, we should be careful about spellings. Like the ordinal number 5 is written as 5th, F-I-F-T-H, and not 5th, F-I-V-E-T-H. One must be careful while writing the spelling of ninth. Ninth cannot be written as ninth, N-I-N-E-T-H. It must be written as N-I-N-T-H. Number names of ordinal numbers. You have to learn the number names of ordinal numbers. Let us learn the number names of ordinal number through this chart. Like you can see on the screen, first is written as first. Second is written as second. Third is written as third. But from the ordinal number 4, we write the spelling as fourth, F-O-R-T-H. The spelling of fifth must be F-I-F-T-H. It continues till 19th. Now the spelling of 20th is T-W-E-N-T-I-E-T-H. After 28th, we learn the ordinal numbers like 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, and so on. So students, after completing the ordinal numbers till 30th, we should learn the spellings of 40th, 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, 90th, and one must be careful about writing the spelling of 100. 100th is spelled as O-N-E-H-U-N-G-R-E-T-H. Now we come to the uses of ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are used for indicating dates. Like her birthday is on 18th of August. We use ordinal numbers for centuries. Like Shakespeare was born in the 16th century. We use ordinal numbers for sequence or order. Like my team came second in the league. We use ordinal numbers for the floor of a building. Her office is on first floor. As we say the date as 15th of February, not as 15 February. 31st of December, not 31 December. The floor of the building must be indicated as first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, and fifth floor, and so on. As we all know, ordinal numbers are used for telling the sequence or order. Let us understand it through the third example, like Anna is at first position. We can say it clearly that Sam is at second position. Mary is at fourth position. Jenny is at sixth position. Jack is at eighth position. Pat is at 10th position. There are 26 letters of English alphabet, in which A is the first letter, B is the second letter, C is the third letter, and so on. Now let us take one more example. There are 7 days in a week. Monday is taken as the first day. Tuesday is taken as the second day. Wednesday is taken as the third day, and so on. I hope you all have understood the concept of ordinal and cardinal numbers. Now, do this exercise in your home for the concept clarity. Fill in the blanks. A. R is the dash letter in the English alphabet. T is the dash letter in the English alphabet. Wednesday is the dash day of a week. May is the dash month of the year. Saturday is the dash day of a week. So students, this is all for today. Be safe, be happy. We will meet once again with some another topic.
For watching.
Drop a like. Leave a comment.
And don't forget to subscribe.